Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mamasagri Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na tatagyan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin angel spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a Knight of Coin. There's something guys with a security na magiging secure ka ngayon pagdating sa finances. Oh, pangalagaan, proteksyonan. And of course, there's something guys with the lovers. Ay, it's all about love. Ay, may tungkol about sa pag-ibig. And there's an Ace of Coin with a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking opportunities na darating dito. What is additional messages? And there's something that the King of Coin. Now, there's something security and practicality. So, ibig sabihin dito, magiging secure ka na ngayon pagdating sa finances. Magiging practical ka na at, magiging mature ka na how to handle your money. No? And this is something that Death card with something a transformation. Now, may mga bagay o pagbabago dito na magaganap sa buhay mo na kailangan mong, may kailangan wakasan, na kailangan tapusin para makapagsimula ng panibago eksena. Let's see. And there's something guys with the High Priestess. Something hidden agenda or hidden enemies. So talaga may mystery dito sa likod dito. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo nang malalaman at unti-unti mo na matutuklasan. Nagkakaroon ka dito ng unexpected moment. What is the Knight of Coin? Reference with the Knight of Sword. There's a success driven. No? Unti-unti ka na magtatagumpay. No? So, pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Magiging mabilis ang eksena na to, no? Mas lalo ka magiging sigurado at sigurista, no? Sa lahat ng mga bagay, lalo-lalo na sa finances. What is the lovers? The lovers represent with the Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make, no? Pagdating sa love life, kailangan mo magdesisyon at kailangan mo mag-take ng action dito. And there's a Seven of Wands represent with the Ace of Coins. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung finances mo. And there's something a big break, promotions, and of course, there's something renewal pagdating sa trabaho. Let's see what is the King of Coin. There's a Three of Wands. So there's a waiting for ship. Naghihintay ka ng resulta. Documented papers, maaaring dumating na. Let's see what is the Death card. Oh my God, there's a Devil card. Meron talagang gustong, may gusto talagang magpabagsak sa'yo dito. And there's another side guys, no? There's another side na maaaring matapos na yung gawa ng kulam. Matapos na yung gawa ng black magic. Now, there's a Devil and the Death card. Oh my God. So, let's see guys. Like, clarify pa natin with the High Priestess. Wait lang guys. Let's see. What is the High Priestess represent what? High Priestess represent with the King of Swords. Now, there's something, the pattern. May mga bagay na kailangan putulin, no? Kailangan alisin. Kailangan baguhin, no? May mga mystery dito sa likod nito na kailangan mong unti-unting matuklasan. What is the Knight of Coin? Of course, the Knight of Swords. Represent with an Eight of something moving forward. Talagang makakalaya at makakawala ka na. No, sa lahat ng mga bagay na pagdaanan mo, magiging mabilis ang eksena na to na magdadala sa'yo ng financial security. What is the Lover's Circle? The Two of Swords. There is a hermit card, no? There's a spiritual enlightenment na may mga bagay na magliliwanag about sa relasyon, no? Magkakaroon ka ng desisyon dito na maaring, meron dito nga guys na soulmate and of course twin flame energy. Let's see what is Ace of Coins and of course the Seven of Wands. Reversing with the Three of Wands, celebration, happiness, no? Magiging maligaya at magkakaroon ka ng mga celebration dito at maaaring magkaroon ng reunite, homecoming, family gathering, no? What is King of Coins, of course, the Three of Wands. Represent guys with the Tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago na magaganap dito na hinihintay mong dumating. Maaring ito na, no, darating na siya. Kaya itong pagbabago na to, maaring mangyari na. What is the Death card? Because the Devil card. Represent with Temperance. So see, kailangan mong kumalma. There's something perfect timing talaga. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga pinapaalalahanan ka ng ating divine na may mga bagay na matatapos na at mawawakasan na, no? Mawawakasan na ang gawa ng black magic sa'yo. And there's a native coin na mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo, sa sarili mo. There's a High Priestess and of course the King of Swords. Represent with the Chariot card. There's an action and a movement, no? Unti-unti ka nang kikilos, unti-unti ka nang gagalaw, aalisin mo na yung nagbibigay negatibo. Oh my God, meron dyan talaga sa tahanan nyo na may inilagay, no? Unti-unti na siyang naaalis, no? Tinatanggal. Meron talaga siyang kinarga. Let's see. Additional messages tayo, pagdating naman tayo for the outcome. There's a high five for a lesson learned. Matuto ka na, no? Sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo dito. And this is something the 6 of Wands for a victory is your. Pero magtatagumpay ka. No? Dahil dyan sa mga napagdaanan mo, natuto kang pangalagaan at proteksyonan yung sarili mo. And there's a the Sun card. See, there's a purification. Lilinisin lahat. At may mga bagay dyan na unti-unti nang gaganda ang kalalabasan nito. No? Kumbaga, mag-enlighten sa'yo lahat. No? Liliwanag, lilinaw sa'yo lahat. So let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. And there is a Seven of Coins, harvest moment, no, pagdating sa finances. No, maaaring mag-harvest ka na. No, maaaring matatanggap mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mo matanggap. And there's a Knight of Wands for slowly but surely, unti-unti na yan. Unti-unti mo nang mararamdaman at mararanasan yung mga pinaghirapan mo. And there's a Page of Cups for investment, no? Even the investment, guys, or kailangan mo mag-invest. What is additional messages pagdating sa love life? There's a Knight of Coins with a blossoming, maaaring gumanda na at maging maayos ang iyong kalusugan at ang inyong pagsasama. And there's the World card represents something trouble. Magsa-travel talaga kayo ng person mo. Na magkakaroon kayo ng travel, adventures, and experiences. And there's a Queen of Cups of emotional healing. Na magiging kalmado na kay parehas. Na magiging maganda na ang inyong kalusugan parehas. What is additional messages about sa health? No, there's a Six of Swords. There's a transition. Kailangan nyo makaalis dyan sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. And there's a Four of Swords, no guys? Kung some of you ba nahihirapan sa pagtulog, eventually guys, magiging maganda na rin ang pagtulog mo. Makakabaon at makakaraos ka na rin. And there's an Ace of Swords, no? There's a breakthrough. Nakalagpas ka dyan sa hamon ng buhay pagdating sa health issues. Ibig sabihin dito, lahat ng mga bagay na to, it's a life journey, no? Nakalagang kailangan mo yung maranasan sa buhay na tinatahak mo. So let's see. What is additional messages for a yin and yang oracle card? For yin and yang oracle card represent what? Represent with fulfillment and wishes. So, si matutupad talaga yung mga pangarap mo dito. And there's a happy family and commitment. So, si magiging masaya at magiging maganda na ang tahanan nyo. And there's si union. There's something na magkakaroon kayong family gathering talaga, no? Makakabalik ka na sa dati mong buhay. So, let's see. What is the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities, represent with a rest. So, kailangan mo ng pahinga, ha? And there's a child, no? Talagang related with your child. Let's see, what is a union represent what? Imagination. Maraming papasok sa isipan nyo, guys, no? Let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Represent, guys, with whom do you need to forgive, no? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo pakawalan, alisin? No, yung bigat, yung ngit-ngit, galit, alisin mo yan para may sa katuparan mo kung ano naman yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. At yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo matupad na. One more card for magical fairy messages. Ang dami. Goodbye to the old, hello to the new. So, kailangan mo na pakawalan yung mga nakaraan. No, kumbaga, kailangan mo na lang mahalin yung kasalukuyan. And there's the sun. Some of you guys na may anak na lalaki dito, na maaaring magpabago ng mundo nyo. And there's a holiday. Na ngayong holiday na maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan nyo. Ngayong summer season. Let's see what is the romance angel for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's something healing, releasing. So, ibig sabihin dito, gagaling ka na, marirelease ka na talaga. No? Tapos na. And there's an intuition with the inner knowing. Lahat ng mga papasok sa intuitions mo, kumaga binibigyan ka na mas matalas na kaisipan dito. No? Maliliwanagan ka na sa lahat na nangyayari. And there's a block obstacle. So, see? Nakablock na yung mga nagbibigay ng suliranin. No? At there's something guys with the silent, no contact. Kailangan nyo na lang talaga maging tahimik at huwag nagbibigay ng impormasyon, no contact. Ibig sabihin, huwag kayong kumontak, huwag kayong nagbibigay ng impormasyon sa mga tao na yan. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael messages for you. Represent this situation is already resolved. So, see, naresolbahan na, nasolusyonan na, natapos na. This is also something, a final ending, guys. Your home is protected by angels. So, see po, protection at papangalagaan na rin ang inyong tahanan. What is the angel's answer represent what? Angel's answer represent improving health. So, see, nag-improve na rin yung health mo. Lakado. And because this is something, guys, without taking action, kailangan nyo kumilos, gumalaw. Kailangan nyo magdesisyon. One more card, please. And the situation will improve, no? Ang sitwasyon na unti-unti na rin magbabago. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is the great severing, no? There's something anger and conflict, no? Isa sa magbibigay komplikasyon dito yung galit, no? Alisin mo yung galit na yan. And this is something fall into your arms, surrender. No? Kailangan mong pakawalan yan. Bitawan yan. Let's see what is a romance angel. Represent what? Forgiven and learning. So, kailangan mo matuto. No? At kailangan mo magpatawad. And pay attention to the red flag. Kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa mga signs or babala na kailangan pag-ingatan. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. Represent what? And there's an impartiality. So, kailangan mo maging balanse. No, sa lahat ng bagay, and there's an isolation, no? Kailangan mo na makawala dyan from isolated situation. And there's an impatient. Kailangan mo nang habaan ng pasensya mo. No, kailangan mo maging kalmado, guys. No, huwag kang magmadali. Unti-unti yan. What is additional messages? And there's an indecision. May mga bagay na kailangan mo magdesisyon. No, there's a grief, there's something losses, but it's something an opportunity to learn. And appreciate, no? May mga bagay na inaalis, may mga bagay na nawawala. Kailangan mo matutunan kung bakit sila inaalis at bakit sila tinatanggal sa buhay mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's something, guys, with a change, no? Unti-unti na magbabago. And there's an environment, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo dito ng sariwang hangin. And this is something direct with the perfect timing. So, see? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na to ay nasa tamang akbangin ka, na nasa tamang direction ka. For Archangel Raphael messages. Archangel Raphael messages. Children's. No, especially with your children's, guys, no, related din sila sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a counseling, guys. Ano, kailangan nyo makinig sa mga advices. And there's a let go. Na may mga bagay na kailangan nyo na i-let go. What is the energy represent what? And there's an appreciation na may, kumbaga, magpasalamat ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na natatanggap mo. And indecision. Maaring may mga bagay na naguguluhan ka pa sa ngayon pero unti-unti yan magliliwanag na. What is the Monsology represent what? Step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mong kumula sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. And believe the impossible. Lahat ng mga bagay na imposible ay posible. What is the Jesus loving quote said? A Jesus loving quote said, pray always, so don't forget, magdasal ka palagi. No? So let's see what is an angel's number represent what? Angels number represent 0808 for ship action. So, may mga biglaang pagbabago dito na mangyayari sa iyo na may pagkilos at paggalaw. You will enter a time of expansion. So, begin taking step towards achievement. Your ultimate objective immediately, finances will be miraculously improve. Oh, and somebody has their mind set on you. So, meron dito makikipag-transaction sa iyo. There's a lot of improvement pagdating sa financial mo, resource of income mo, no? Unti-unti nang lalakas at dadalo yung magandang kapalaran pagdating sa finances. Pasabog! So, let's see what is the messages of life represent what? Messages of life represent consciousness. So, maging conscious ka dito. Today, I pay attention to every thoughts and feeling that I manifest. My outer world reflects my inner consciousness. I feel the light of my awareness on my constructive thoughts. So, they will grow and produce the experiences I want. Mindful of what I create in this universe, I become an expression of divine light. So, unti-unti mo itong makikita lahat ng mga bagay na pagbabago, bigyan mong liwanag sa isip mo at sa puso mo lahat ng mga bagay pangyayari sa buhay mo, na kaya ito nangyayari, kailangan mo pag-ingatan at pangalagaan yung mga bagay na meron ka. So guys, this is monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey lamang din at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sampag suporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. So pagpalain kayo ng Just at May Kapal, siksik liglig na gumawa na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye! And babush!